4 ways you can master meditation. Today, I want to tell you about 4 ways you can master meditation. But before I get into that, I want to take this opportunity to say that meditation is a process, not a destination. The more you meditate, the easier it will get. But there are always ways in which you can improve your meditation and grow as an individual and meditator. Now let us look at 4 ways you can master meditation. 1. Focus on your breathing. The first way that you can master meditation is to focus on your breathing. Breathing is something that we do all the time, most of the time without even realizing it. During your meditation, you should use your breath as a way to intentionally anchor your meditation. In other words, utilize your psychological processes to make the most out of your meditation. Focusing on your breathing will help you master meditation for many reasons. Firstly, breathing is beneficial for your body. It decreases stress, relieves pain, stimulates the lymphatic system, improves immunity, lowers blood pressure, and more. Secondly, focusing on your breathing forces you to live in the moment. Since breathing happens in the present, it focuses your mind on a present action, as opposed to a past or future action or idea. Thirdly, focusing on your breath will allow you to connect your mind and body as one. In the modern world, our bodies and mind are often treated as 2 separate entities, which results in a lot of stress and confusion about oneself. If you focus your mind on your breath, though, your mind is connected with your body through the process of breath. 2. Switch up your meditation. The second way that you can master meditation is to switch up your meditation practice. Many people make the mistake of choosing one practice and sticking to it exclusively. This may be great if you're new to meditating and are still learning how to best meditate, but only doing one meditation does not allow you to grow or challenge yourself. As you become more advanced at meditation, you should try different meditation techniques in order to improve your meditative abilities. Whether you try guided meditations, self-meditations, or group meditations, always try to push yourself so that way your skills grow. 3. Be kind to yourself. A third way to master meditation is to be kind to yourself. Many people view meditation as a harsh form of self-discipline. While meditation is a form of discipline, this discipline should be mixed with kindness and compassion. By being kind to yourself, you put yourself in a more vulnerable position. It allows you to better feel your feelings in that moment and explore different parts of yourself. There's no way that you can master meditation without first learning how to speak to yourself in a kind and compassionate way. 4. Try to incorporate meditation into different parts of your life. Finally, the 4th way to master meditation is to incorporate meditation into different parts of your life. What I mean by this is to practice meditation even when you're not intentionally meditating. I know that may sound difficult, but it will be extremely beneficial in the long run. You can incorporate meditation into different parts of your life by speaking kindly to yourself, intentionally breathing, and living in the moment. If you are able to master these things outside of meditation, your meditation will be much easier and you will be able to grow even further.